Let's check out this convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1963 Chevrolet Nova convertible. 350 cubic inch crate engine underneath the hood that is paired up with an automatic with overdrive 700R4 transmission. Power steering, power brakes, disc up front, so nicely equipped. A little over 3,500 miles in this car since the restoration work was done. And I'm going to tell you here in just a bit where you can check out still pictures and a listing of the work that has been done to this too. And we'll also try to hit on a lot of it as we will do this walk around video here. Take a look at the bright work, bumper, grille, headlight surrounds up front. As far as the paint, early 2000s BMW red is the color on it. Custom black interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out here in just a bit too. But first of all, if you want to go to where the still pictures are, and in those still pictures there'll be a listing in the pictures of what was done to this at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Disc brakes up front, American Racing polished by both wheels, and you can see this car is nice and straight. Paint does show well on it. We'll pop the hood in a little bit and I'll show you what's underneath as far as the intake and carb and what have you. Tubular front suspension is something you're going to see in the still pictures. Also has QA1 coil-over adjustable shocks up front, air shocks in the rear. Dual exhaust with MagnaFlow mufflers, anti-sway bars front and rear. Some of the things you're going to see if you take a peek at the underside pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It does have a new black vinyl top, convertible boot. We're going to put that up at the end of the video here too. Let you take a peek at that. Manual top, easily put up by one person. And again, those still pictures, if you want to check it all out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Get a good look at the rear chrome and bright work. Now up and down the driver's side. You can see it's nice and straight. Nice car. Show well at any of your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. Let's pop this door open. Check out this interior again. Black custom interior. I believe to the tune of approximately $8,000 worth of interior work on this car. Door panels matching. One of those that had floor mats on the floor mats. And you can see in the still pictures I have the floor mats pulled away, so you'll be able to see the carpeting. Of course, seat belts intact. Dakota digital dash. A little retro sound style. More modern radio in it. I did it column, as you can see. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Show you the exact miles since restoration work. Alright, there's exact miles right here, 35,050, and it's doing that on the video. If you're looking at it in person, it's not going to do that scrolling on the numbers down there. Alright, get it idled down a little bit. Radio is in working order. Have that. Little search option on the right side. Just click it up to a station that's local here. That'll be one that'll come in good. So stereo working order. Take a look at the dash. Painted to match the car. And again, carpeting all the way around, also good shape. Nice sounding car with a MagnaFlow dual exhaust on there. Door closes nicely, slip around in the back. Here it run. No crazy camming, obnoxious as far as exhaust goes. Sounds good. Alright, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. And we'll pop the hood. Check out the engine bay, see how it looks. There's the hood pop, idled down nicely too, just as opening the hood. Aluminum radiator. It does have a couple electric puller fans as well as the regular fan. power steering, power brakes, Edelbrock intake, Holly 600 4 barrel, HEI ignition. Also see that strut tower brace. Set up to go down the road. 350 with that overdrive transmission. Good suspension components, tubular up front. So definitely check out the undersides of this one. You'll see what I'm talking about. Make a nice cruiser and show car. All right, one last thing. I'm going to shut it down, button it up. Let's roll that top up. Let you check that out. We'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And there's the top flipped up. Again, manual top, one person. I just put it up by myself. Easy job. Takes all of 30 seconds, less than a minute to get it up and latched. And as you can see, free of rips, tears, holes in it. You got a few wrinkles from being down for a while. Those will come right out in the sun. And it looks like it's practically new. Take a look at how clear the rear window is. I just have the parade boot flipped forward. We'll display it with the top down here in our showroom. And again, just a few wrinkles that'll come out with the heat when you're out in the sun. Nice and tight fitting up along the windshield. If you need it to keep you dry or out of the sun, whatever the case may be, not going to be a problem on this one. Top's in good shape. Nice black vinyl top, 1963. Chevy Nova convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. You're going to take you right to our website. Check out all the pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in.